Hi guys, welcome to this video. I hope you enjoy this one. I'm going to show you how to build a $5,000 plan with AI, with ChatGPT, for an Amazon affiliate site. And more than that, rather than just give you here's a 5k plan that you can use, I'm going to show you the keys of why this works and what you want to do when you select a niche and keywords to be able to make sales quickly. So 5k is nice, 10k is nice, 15k is nice, but it all starts with that one sale. And if you follow this, you'll be able to get up and running quicker, you'll be able to get ranked faster, and you'll actually have traffic from real people looking to buy the product. So I hope you enjoy it. If you're interested in this stuff, do subscribe to the channel. Do give us a thumbs up. If I get enough thumbs up on this video, what I'm going to actually do is a live follow through of building a site just like this. So if you're interested in it, do leave me a comment, do let me know, do like the video, and I will get on that and actually show you this on YouTube live and show you a site being created and how it does in rankings and sales as well. Also in the description, just a really quick one, if you want 100 AI prompts to build a 6-figure affiliate business, get it for free. The link's in the description. These are the prompts that will give you my go-to tasks, if you will, if you're going to build niche sites, funnels, some of the best prompts, and I've picked out 100 of them. So you want to have this in your library of tools if you're looking to make money online, and it's totally free. The link's in the description. Okay, so let's get straight on with it, and I look forward to showing you this. Here we go. First up, the prompt. Okay, so you could use this for ClickBank sites. I might do another video on that, but for now I want to build an Amazon affiliate site in the high paying niche of 4K drones. Now I did a video yesterday. If you're struggling for a niche, use the video yesterday to find the niche and then use this prompt. I've picked 4K drones. Provide me with the following: a detailed analysis of the target audience, demographics, psychographics and geographics, a list of keywords that balance high search volume and buyer intent, including seed and long tail keywords, a 20-page content plan with 10 product reviews and 10 keyword focused pieces, examples of successful Amazon affiliate sites in the niche that I can learn from with strengths and weaknesses highlighted, a 6-month plan to reach $5,000 a month in revenue, including SEO, content strategy, backlink building and monetization tips. Ensure that all recommendations focus on helping me rank in Google and attract high converting traffic. So fairly straightforward what we're doing there. One of the key things that why this works is straight away with number one, we're getting a detailed analysis of the target audience. So check this out with drones, primarily 25 to 45 years old. I would think it'd stretch a bit further than that, to be honest, but there we go. Gender, male dominated 70 to 80%, though female interest is increasing. Income level is middle to upper middle, so they've got disposable income. Education level is college educated or tech savvy individuals. Psychographics, okay, so technology enthusiasts, photographers, outdoor adventurers and travel influencers. Okay, so that gives us a clue of who to target. Motivations: create stunning aerial visuals, engaging in hobbies or professional applications, real estate, weddings and surveying, all will be used with drones. The main pain points in the niche: battery life, ease of operation and value for money. Geographic: USA, Canada, UK, Australia, it's pretty much everywhere. Urban versus real: urban dwellers with access to scenic locations. So we're getting a really good bird's eye view at who to target. That helps us with the keywords, and ChatGPT has also given me some keywords to start off with high search volume and buyer intent. Now what I haven't done here, and what you could do, is get ChatGPT to pick out the keywords that you're most likely to be able to rank for. But just for now, we've got our seed keywords here. So seed keywords means your main keywords, your big keywords, okay? They're not keywords that you probably rank for straight away, but they're your main ones that you're aiming for. Long tail keywords: best 4K drones under $500. What is the best drone for aerial photography, for real estate photography, for travel? Really good keywords. Compact 4K drones, 4K drones for wedding. best drones for vlogging in 2024, 2025 now. So you could literally get a head start on this niche by focusing it on 2025. Again, leave me a comment, let me know. Do like the video. If I get enough likes, enough comments, I'm going to do a live follow along of actually building this site so you can see. 20-page content plan. So again, you could build off this, but what it's doing is taking those keywords and also taking some of the top products that are expensive as well, really well priced products, and giving me an idea. Okay, you know, versus content, the ultimate 4K drone for videographers, feature pack 4K drone under $500. So it's given me some ideas for content. And then keyword focus pieces, traffic engagement, top 4K drones for aerial photography, how to choose the best 4K drone for beginners, 4K drone laws you need to know before flying in 2025. Okay, I know this is 2024, you'd gear it towards 2025. Comparison of 4K drones, DJI versus auto. So there we go, you've got lots of different avenues that you can use. We haven't even got into racing drones or anything like that. Then examples of successful Amazon affiliate sites in this niche. So you've got Drone Enthusiast, Drone Rush, and you've got weaknesses as well, overloaded with ads, limited focus on Amazon affiliate links, relying more on other revenue streams, UAV coach, content is sometimes overly technical. And then we've got our plan to reach $5,000 a month. Website setup, content expansion, first 10 pages, add FAQs, launch Instagram and Pinterest profiles with aerial shots, optimize CTA for Amazon, scaling SEO. And again, you would definitely expand on this. So that one of the best ways of using ChatGPT is any area that you want to expand, like the 6-month plan. From the initial prompt, you can then say to ChatGPT, you know, expand on that plan. Give me some, expand on it. Give me a step-by-step. Give me the first 30 days step-by-step that I follow. But putting it all together, what we've done is we've got a really good prompt that will give us the full demographics of a niche and exactly who we should target, keywords to get started with, 20-page content plan, and just off this, for well-created content here, you're going to start to get ranked, you're going to start to get traffic, and you've also got examples of successful sites that you can build up off and get ideas from. And then you've got your 6-month plan that you can expand on to reach $5,000 a month. You can obviously change that figure, change the niche. Go and use that prompt, guys. Let me know how you get on. Again, let me know in the comments if you want me to do a live follow along actually building the site and showing you sales. I'd love to do that for you if that's something of interest. Do get your 100 free AI prompts. Will really help you. That's the link in the description, and thank you for watching. Cheers guys, I'll see you in the next one.